Welcome to Autosy Home Automation Security System using IR sensor. In white setup, we are declaring the pin mode 9, output, which means yellow LED, and 10, output, which means green LED, and 29, output, which means red LED. At initial stage, we need all LED to be turned off, so we are making that digital right 10, low, and all other LEDs just like that. And serial begin 115200. Serial begin which used for enabling serial monitor in order to display output in printed form. And the number 115200, which means that baud rate for CC 3200 launchpad. For this board we need a baud rate of 115200, so we are declaring just like that. And while loop, in this we need print home automation security system. And in sensor value, you can see that we have inserted a IR sensor. IR sensor always detect the analog signal. It will have a range of about 4000, and we need to print the value. In order to do that, we need to store the value analog. For that, we are making that int sensor value is equal to analog read, which means we are connecting the output pin, which is in yellow color, to the pin number 2. You can see that pin number 2. Through that, we can take the value and store it in sensor value. If a intrusion detector, the sensor value will go less than 2800. If no intrusion has been detected, the value stays above 4000. Hence, if we have any intrusion detector, we need to print unauthorized intrusion detector, and we need to turn on red LED. Hence, we have made that digital write 29, high. And else, if no intrusion has been detected, we need to print save form, and we need to make the LED green color to glow. For that, I have made that digital write 29, low, and 10, high, and I made a delay in order to make that monitoring sequential for every 1 second. You can see the output in serial monitor. At first, there is no intrusion detector, so it has printed safe home. Here comes, if your intrusion detector, the red LED will be turned on and buffer will be turned on, buzzer. And in the serial monitor, an unauthorized intrusion detector has been displayed. That's all.